Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. Please show it up. On your camera and control. The next step is the nose. Okay, eyes. Okay, if you take take time. So make sure the eyes. One thing is very important. The eyebrow. This little bigger eyes over here. Okay. So this is the upper line. Okay, and this is the lower line. Lower line like this. And the eyeball is should be not full like eyeball like this. See, so how it just looks more nice and realistic. That is the way. So upper part should be cut like this, not full. This is not. This is correct, incorrect. This that much you can see only. Okay. And must make sure upper line is a dark, more dark and thickness, and lower line is a light. Okay. If you are make this dark, you can erase it and make it light. Then it looks more fill. What is the reason? This is light, this is dark. Okay. Very nice. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Abhiman. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. You used to come today? Okay. Yeah. If you are if you are in this class, you can join another weeks or try to the same week one cover the class, and then if you miss the Saturday, you can join Sunday and cover the class. If you not to, then even next week you can take the two classes. That's also fine. Okay. So you if you wish to do two class weekly or one class weekly, ma'am. Okay, so fine. So you can, if you are miss this class, so you can join after the club in between this and holidays and all. I can call you and you can send your kids and I can take the classes. Usually, if you are missed any week, two classes missed. Okay, so you send it to me and supposed to holidays every month one or two. So you can take care the 2 hours more time, like 2 hours, 3 hours. Classes basically. We try to cover the in month. So don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Or you can, or yeah. Or you can join the two time also, morning and evening. Okay, you can cover like this also. Okay, for just for last week I tell you that coming week we are not out of the station and maybe for that only I say no problem. Oh, come Joe. Thank you so much. Yeah. When you came, it is in evening time, right? Isn't it? So when you came, like what time you come today? 4:45. Yeah, that time. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Bye. So that was done. So now the next steps. So how to do the nose? see, this is this nose line. It's called the nose line, eyes line, and nose line. I draw here nose individually. Then you can see basic nose shape is like this. Okay, but what happened if you draw here one oval or circle? See, it's coming like this, like this. So all human here some oval kind of. So you can draw like this, like this. Okay, not cut line like this. So do like this, simple. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Let's go to the next steps now. Okay, so basically this African character's nose are little bigger, so I can increase this line little bit. If African is, if it is an Italian character, Italy, this is very nose is very sharp and small, but African character is little bit of nose, little spade. Why I do first and then erase and then again, because understand that character, African character, their nose is little spade, like this side, little spade, little bit of look like a tribal kind of. So these things are very important to understand. All those features, why it look like African, why it look like Indian, why it look like a Japanese. So these few features are very important to understand that. Okay. So here, one thing is also important. I explain. See here, the forehead. Ma'am also see, but Atik also see. See, understood, beta? The forehead little straight and then go down. It's not like a full round. Right, Mama? Understand? It's not like a full round, not round. It is coming like straight and go down. So we can modify. See here also. So it goes straight, not exactly straight, little bit of this side, but almost straight and then go down, not round. So we have to do also same things. Here, little modify. Just make little straight, up and down. This is little modify needs over here. Okay, little modification. And one more modification needs. See here, see here that here is little bit of more like this. See here, like this cross kind of. So you can do here. Yeah. So here I also do little bit of modification. So this modification actually we are make your character making correct, perfect. This modification, little bit of ups and down like this. Okay. Perfect. Mama, you need to solve your plans. Just I. Yeah. Mama. Okay. Thank you, Beta. So now here the next steps. So this is the nose line. This is chin line. Here I just divided two parts. 1, 2. So here 3 slices, right? 1 slice, 2 slice, and the same. That's all the same was same. 1, 2, 3. The same. Okay, got it? This 3 also same. 1, 2, 3. Same. So just make 2, not dark. Put it light because we are erasing all construction line. We are understand that what is the human construction, this especially skull. Okay. Now this is the line. This line for the mouth. Okay. So I can create the mouth like this. Okay. So this is the main line for mouth. Here creating upper lip. Okay. First make the upper lip over here. Okay. This is upper lip. This is nose is down. Okay. Here is the upper lip. Make sure this line should be the middle. Like, see, I just do this line. No, I maintain that line. I maintain that line. Make sure that's why this line I creating. Okay. And this tribal the face also.
So
Mouth.
can you show again how to draw the lips?
Lips. Yes, beta. See, I do once again. First, make sure this line should be clear. This line, okay. If you draw this line, then you just in between this line, here you're like this. So first I do this now. This 3 line. 1, 2, 3 line. This is the first attempt. The 3 line. 1, 2, 3. This is the first important. And then second important, start the straight line like this. Okay, do the straight line. First this one. Third is the upper lip like this. This is the upper lip. Okay, this is the upper lip. Make the upper lip like this. And draw the lower lip. When your upper lip is done, then do the lower lip. Okay, this is the lower lip, just like a curve. Okay, make a curve. Here it is straight, and join. Make sure it should be little bit bigger because the African character, the mouth also, nose and mouth also little bigger. Nose and mouth is little bigger. Okay. When you draw this one, the next part is this lower part is this chin. Very simple. That part is chin. Rest of the part is chin. Very simple. Okay. Now we are doing this part. Okay, this part. Okay. This part just join this. Make sure here is a little bit of up. Why? If you see this human skull, this is the little up, right? It's a little up. So that's why it's little up. That's why here also little up made. Okay, go like this. Okay, and the features change when this different country or state. Feature is changed, but the African character, this features, this cheat features is like this, little bit of the same. The position is same. See here the position. This line we can make it, but little go down and then like this. Okay. So we are more focused on the grammar part, not the very detailed sketching portrait. We are doing later on the finishing lines and all. Okay. Now here, this is the position. This is the position for ear. So you can do the ear like this. See, this is the position of ear. So do the ear like this. Okay. Here, I do this elaborately explain. Don't worry. This is the ear position. Okay. Here. Okay. So I just draw here ear. Ear basically is like an oval kind of, like to make the oval, and it is very easy to understand to make first oval and then do like this 1 2 3 like this, and then do 1 2. This is the basically the ear shape, oval, like long oval kind of. Okay. Yes. Yes. Only this chin part, your chin part is coming out this side. Just go, but it's, see, my drawing is go down. And I'm better? Yeah. More down. Very nice. Yes, very nice, very nice. See better here. Very nice, Nehi.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah. Yeah. Ma'am also.
Sir?
Yes, yes, I see this better. Just a second. Okay. Like this. You can create this little bit of dress part like this. Understand, ma'am? Understood, no? Yeah. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Take a good. Just one thing, man. Just one thing, side. See, here is up and down, and it's like this.